Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mary, and if this is your first time of stopping by, this is Mary's channel. Today is your first time of stopping by, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you receive notification when I upload new videos. So for this month we are looking at a series on book publishing. Enjoy as Michael continue the series on book writing, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. See you at the other side.
Hello, welcome once again. In this video we are at the stage where we are organizing our book. We'll need to organize our book before we even get into writing it. That's very cool, very crucial, very important. So organization of the book. Now when I say organization of the book, I mean the outline or the content. So when you take every book, you see an outline or content. Number one, chapter 1 talks about this, chapter 2 talks about this, chapter 3 talks about this, and conclusion and so on. This is all we need to write first, because that will give us a pathway when we start writing the book itself. So in your content, I want to give you very useful tips for writing your content. Very useful tips. Now, in your content, you want to answer the 5 W's 1H. There is what's called the 5 W's 1H. And the 5 W's simply refers to what, when, who, whom, and then I think why. Yes, so these are the 5 W's 1H. Let me try it again. What, when, where, whom, why. These 5 W's. So if you were writing, for instance, so let me give an example. Let's say you are writing on music. Just an example. Number 1, what is music? What is music? As trivial as it seems, you may want to write about that. And then what kind of music should do you want to talk about? That's another subject that you can write in your book. And maybe music is not a very good example. Let me try another example. Let's say you're writing on parenting, and the example I gave in the previous video. So first you want to define what parenting is. So what is parenting? Then you also want to talk about why is parenting so crucial, so important in a country, in a society, in the lives of individuals. So why is parenting important? Then you can also address the question of who is a parent? Who is a parent? Is it just somebody with a child, or is it just somebody who is mentoring? Who would you say a parent is? So you want to also talk about that. You may also want to talk about what are the most useful tools for parenting. When is parenting more pleasurable? When is it difficult? In other words, you're tackling the seasons of parenting. So this gives you an idea. So these are the 5 W's. And then we have the 1H. 1H simply talks about how. If you talk to me about parenting, you need to conclude or at some point tell me how to parent, because at the end of the day, everybody wants to know how to do it. So if you're talking about another subject like communication, effective communication, and you've spoken about all the nice things, thank you. Now you need to tell me, how do I become an effective communicator? So, and if it's someone who communicates effectively, so you need to definitely talk about how. These are that's a very important concept to address in your book. Anything you write, make sure you leave your readers with how to do it. How to do it. You want to hold their hands and walk them through step by step a process to do what you are presenting to them. So that's how to write your content. Now I'm going to leave you off here. Please just make sure, go back and write a content for yourself, for your book. So you know what topic you're writing on. Write a content. From the previous video we wrote your passion. So choose one of them, then write a content points for that book. And the next video, I'll be talking to you about your introduction, your body, and then your conclusion. And I'll see you there.